Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're making this adorable flower hair clip, perfect for adding a cute, handmade touch to your hairstyle or gifting to someone special. We'll be using 3mm yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss any of our weekly crochet tutorials. Let's get started. For round 1, start with a magic ring. Inside the ring, make 5 single crochets, then close with a slip stitch. Great job! Remember to keep your stitches tight and even for a neat flower center. Next, for round 2, we'll increase the circle by working 5 increases. That means make 2 single crochets in each stitch from the previous round. Then, close with a slip stitch. You're doing amazing. These increases will help our flower shape bloom beautifully. Now on to round 3, the fun petal part. We'll repeat this sequence 10 times. Chain 3, make 2 double crochet increases, then chain 3 and slip stitch back to the base. Tip: it helps to count each petal to stay on track. You should have 10 in total when you're done. Lastly, let's make the border around the hair clip. Use single crochet stitches to wrap tightly around the clip, giving it a neat and secure finish. Tip: keep your tension consistent so the stitches don't shift around. And you're done. Look how beautiful your flower hair clip turned out. Thank you so much for crocheting with me today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, comment, and subscribe for more fun crochet projects. See you in the next video.